All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I am very fortunate to be out here with Coach Jim Foreman today. Can you give us a little bit about your background?
Yeah, just retired a few years ago from the SEAL teams, did 27 years there. And now I have my own company where I teach shooting and leadership. And then I also work for Faro Concepts where we have all the gear, the slings and all that stuff to showcase today.
You get to learn through me today. I'm gonna sacrifice myself for your education.
My name is Alan Baker, and I've dedicated over 45 years to the study of the combative arts. Welcome to the Warrior's Path, where we train minds and bodies through the study of violence.
All right, good to go. We're both lock and loaded. We're just gonna do some basic pistol shooting and just make sure we're getting the basics covered, because once we get the basics, we can move on to shooting and maneuvering, shooting faster, shooting those head plates, all that stuff. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and pull your pistol and then get in your shooting stance, relaxed up, and then go ahead and get me 2 shots on the breast of that center plate. Nice. All right, 2 more on the head. Okay, now go ahead and holster it. Now very slowly draw your pistol, and I want to see how you bring it up to get a shot, but don't shoot. Just go ahead and pull it up and then stop when you're about to shoot. Okay, good, do that again. All right, one more time, nice and slow. Okay, good. So holster it. So for the people that are watching, if you notice, he is not moving his head. He's not doing like that, right? He is already in his shooting position, and he doesn't look for his holster. He knows where it is. He's bringing his holster down. His not shooting hand is coming to his chest, and he's looking at the target. He comes up and he meets his hand here, and if he needed to, he could shoot right here. But instead, since he doesn't need to, he has his grip, he's coming out with 2 hands, he's looking at the target, and as the sight comes up, he's picking up that front sight, and from here, he's squeezing until it goes off. So from here, meet your hand, you can shoot from here, extend it, and shoot. So same thing, 2 shots head. Good. What we're going to do here is we got 5 head plates. And so what I want you to do is, first of all, start from this position. So with your pistol, and you'll be in your stance, and I just want you to pop out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously don't go to the next one until you get that first one.
Got it.
And this is going to be, what this is going to show you is your trigger pull. And if you're crunching the trigger, if you're anticipating that recoil. So this is going to be, you want it to be a surprise every time. And the best thing for that is to have a light trigger, a lighter trigger than stock. Sometimes those are 6 to 8 pounds. And when you're pulling it, it does that, right? But if it's kind of like a surprise every time, it's a lighter trigger, you can get past that a lot better.
Sir.
So we'll see how it goes. On you. Nice. All right, opposite way. Whoop. Good. So on this one, I want you to draw and shoot 1 head plate, and that's it. As fast as you can, but really it's smooth. As smooth as you can, draw and hit that head plate. Okay, holster. Watch that trigger pull. Nice. Okay, next head plate. Draw from the holster. Good. Number 3. Good. Okay, one thing you're doing, I'm gonna get in front of you. So one thing you're doing is like when you're drawing, you're going like this. Like your draw should be like this. That should be fast. This should be mechanical, and then everything else is smooth. But to here should be fast.
Okay.
That's the one thing that you're gonna be fast at. If you're doing this when you're drawing, that's the opposite of what you wanna do. This part should be super fast. All right, number 4. Nice. So what it does is it gets you a different grip because you're going so fast, you might not hit it, right?
Right.
So you want to get that going a little bit faster. Nice. All right, you should have enough. I want you to go left to right from the draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All on one draw?
All one draw. Woo! All right. From the draw, 1 plate.
Any of them?
Yep, fast. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Go back. I want this to be fast because you're still going like that. I want.
Sir.
Okay.
Nah, slow down
That
on
draw-
that confirmation.
That draw was awesome. That one when you missed
Yeah.
the first time, that was an awesome draw. You went fast, you got up quick, you just crunched the trigger a little bit.
Right.
Okay, so do everything the same. Start squeezing the trigger as you're pulling out, and then right when it's there, right when I get there, it's already going off. So as I'm pulling, it's going off.
Yes, sir.
And if you have an AD, accidental discharge, as you're going out, that's okay. We're on a range, we got it safe. You're actually figuring out where your trigger is, where it's going to break. But what a lot of people do, when they extend it, they're crunching. They're yanking that trigger, and that's doing this.
Okay.
So start pulling here, because if it goes off, okay, I know I'm still pointing in the safe direction, it's at the target, and I'm probably going to hit it. And then it's going to go off as you pull.
Ah, press on the way.
Okay, from this one, have it from this position. Put your finger on the trigger because you're going to be moving up, and start squeezing and make it crack as you extend out. So nice and slow and smooth. Nice, that was it. Same thing. Okay, now from this position, I want you to go a little bit faster. You're going like this. Now I want you to speed it up 25%. That's it. You'll get it, you'll get it. Pick up that front sight. Good. Good. Okay, how did that one feel?
Fast, for me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just take it back a notch because you're hitting probably like 30, 40% of them. Some of them, they're not clinking, but they're hitting. So, and then also when you need to relax, relax. But what you do, if you don't relax, you're going to crunch as you extend. One shot, middle plate. From the draw, as fast here, and a smooth, squeeze the trigger until it goes off. One head plate. Nice. So how fast did that seem?
Faster than the previous one.
That was fast. Not only was it fast, the important thing, it was smooth. Your draw, you had your weapon, and you pulled it up and it went off, and it hit the plate.
Yeah.
Good job, dude.
Thank you.